Alright, let's look at the homework 5.1, problem number 8. Alright, so we want to find the area that is represented by this limit sum. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so let's try to rewrite it into definite integral. Alright, so when you have a limit sum right here, that's going to turn it into an integral sign. So we can turn this into a integral, right? And then dx is usually sitting back here, but here I think this is going to be dx, right? So dx or delta x, all right? So this is 2b over b minus a over n. So we know that this is going to be 2 over n. So which tells us that b minus a is equal to 2. Right. So this tells us that the length of the interval is going to be 2. Right. Then this part right here, this is the f of xi, which means that xi should be xi. Actually, it's a little tricky. Xi could be 9 plus 2i over n, but maybe I'll try xi to be just 2i over n. Right? Remember that xi is just going to be a plus delta xi, right? So delta x is 2 over n, and it looks like a is going to be 0 because there's no number there. So this tells us that a is going to be equal to 0, right? Then since the interval, the length of the interval is 2, so let's start from 0 to 2, right? So xi is going to be just this part right here. This is going to be xi. So this is f of xi. So f of x is going to be a quantity. All right, there's 9. All right, xi turns into x, and the power is 18, and delta x becomes dx. Right? So it looks like this is the area under the graph of 9 plus x quantity to the 18th power from 0 to 2. All right, do we have that? Let's see here. It's a 9 plus x to the 18th power and over the interval from 0 to 2. So this has got to be it. All right, so let's type it in. So this got to be the right answer. All right, let's double check. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.